We're at Red Hawk Casino and Resort, checking out everything they have to offer, having beer, playing some games, checking it out. We are Aaron and Aretha Kringle.
And we are inviting you to come mingle with the Kringles.
Hi diddly ho, neighbor knows.
Hi you guys. We are here at the Red Hawk Resort and Casino. So,
Not sure where we are, somewhere near Placerville.
yeah, it's in Placerville, but it's actually in a really beautiful location. You can't even see the highway from the resort. So it's beautiful. It's nestled in trees. We're going to show you some of the outside.
Show you some of the inside.
So we figured it had been a while since we brought you a casino vlog. So here we are, and a little transparency here. I ate an edible last night and slept until I haven't slept until 11:30 or noon since I was like 14 years old.
Yep, same.
Yeah, so anyways, but we're here and we're excited and we're going to show you around and we hope you guys enjoy it.
Be an afternoon and evening out.
Yes. The main entrance was really beautiful. They have valet parking if you so desire to use that. And let's head in. Okay, let's head into this awesome resort. We've been wanting to come check this one out for a while, and we're excited to see what the heck's going on in here, right, baby?
Yes.
So let's go check it out. We're kind of just figuring it out as we go, but let's go check out the gift shop. So this is the Red Hawk gift shop, and we're here late, so everything's open, unlike when we were just at Chicken Ranch. Nothing was really open yet. We were there really early, but going cold turkey, having ham. That's pretty cute.
100s.
But first, coffee. Ooh, I like that.
Oh, I always should.
Some cute stuff. A lot of jewelry. Some bags. Some Halloween stuff. Oh gosh, the thought of putting this on right now makes me ill. Because it's so hot. But I guess if it's winter or you're on your way, because this is near Shingle Springs and there's always, as you start to head up the hill, there's always snow. So I guess if it was like a different time of year, it would be fine. Or if you're headed up the hill where there's already snow. We're gonna head downstairs first and check this out. We know there's a buffet down here, some beautiful scenery. It looks like, Koto buffet is what we're looking at here. We're kind of scoping out where we want to have dinner as well, and obviously we'll show you guys what we get there and our beer choice. And then there's Pearl Asian cuisine. So downstairs actually has quite a bit. I see something else. Oh, a steakhouse next to us. Ooh, that's beautiful, huh? That wood carving. I'll go show you guys the view. This is so there are several floors of parking. This building, I don't think has the hotel. So we're gonna try to get a room tour as well for you guys, but that's the view from here. And then Koto buffet and Pearl Asian cuisine. I'm just gonna go see, this is called Henry's Steakhouse. So we've got quite a few options here. Roulette.
Yeah, I was thinking like that.
Okay. Yeah, Henry's Steakhouse. Okay. So they've got fried calamari, tuna poke, crispy vegetables, salads, French onion. Aaron does love French onion soup. We'll see what we decide to do. Here's one of their specials. Look at that. Ribeye for $2. Oh, it switched so fast. I didn't get to show you guys. Anyways, we're still looking. So this is the bar in Henry's Steakhouse. They do have a pretty big stage up here. I see drums. Let me see if I can zoom in. So obviously they've got the screen down right now playing football. But this room is where they have the live music. for all of your coffee necessities. If you don't have an IV of it, you can come to Verona. It's a full coffee house. I'll see if I can get a little glimpse of the menu. Seems to change pretty quick. But let's look. Breakfast special, sandwiches and wraps, so you can even get stuff to eat here. Salads, personal pizzas. And over here we've got all of your drinks. So you've got pastries, iced drinks, regular drinks, coffee or decaf, Americano, mocha, latte, caramel macchiato, blended drinks, caramel frap, bottled drinks, bottled beer, and espresso. And then a ton of snacks. Let me try to zoom over in my zoomed in heart. Yeah, so come grab a snack there if you'd like. Right next to the live music stage, they have this full bar. So you can sit down, grab your cocktail, and head over and have some fun. Get your dance moves on. In our last casino vlog, people asked about VIP services and a couple of other things, so we're going to try to capture all of that information. This is your VIP services entrance here. Looks pretty big and nice. She's on the phone, so I'm not going to bug her, but I will give you guys a little glimpse of the inside. Looks pretty nice. So one of the things that everyone asked about were the table games. There's a pretty large section of table games here. Pretty much like 1, 2, 3 rows of table games on the right hand side if you're in the back of the casino floor. And there are beverage stations like I've seen 2 or 3 on each side of the wall of the casino. Really nice restrooms. So next to every beverage station, it seems like there's a nice sized restroom. So Aaron's getting his Mountain Dew on. Right, babe?
Yeah, yep.
We didn't realize this, but Verona is actually separated into 2 different sections. So on the other side of these games is the coffee Verona shop that we showed you guys. And then this is the Verona Coffee House Express. So it looks like there are more like food options here, or maybe like a sit-down option for the same food. I'm not really sure. They have new items. Berry Bonanza, Mango Peach Paradise, Banana Berry Breeze. Add kale. Everybody loves to add kale to everything, right? I mean, not me, but... Okay, so then here's another little pastry option. Oh, wow. Blueberry scones, these massive cinnamon rolls, strawberry croissants, maple donuts, yum, apple fritters, sticky bun, blueberry muffins. Dang. Yeah, lots of really good desserts here. And they've got fresh salads in the refrigerator. So this is where you come order for this section. It's on the other side of the games. And it looks like just kind of more of a sit-down option instead of just grabbing a coffee. So yeah, all kinds of stuff. It looks like a lot of the same stuff, but then you have more options. And then there's a whole section of seating for this other Verona section. It goes all the way over. We've got some fancy lights. This is new and interesting. So if you buy stuff and you don't feel like carrying it around, you just bring it over here to gift pickup, which is not open at the moment, but plenty of stations to do that. Just a little quick glimpse. So it is called the Stage Bar. Rewards, restrooms, Apex, high limit, self-parking, and there's a whole section of kiddos stuff to do. There's like go-kart racing and bowling and all kinds of stuff. So we are going to show you guys all of that, and we're headed over to the hotel check-in part to try to get you a glimpse into one of the rooms so that you know what you're renting, and we'll see how that goes. This is a beautiful entryway to the hotel section, so you don't have to leave that building, which is what I was thinking you would have to do. Oh, wow. Look at this, dear. This is kind of... Wow. I like that, though. Huh, it's pretty.
That's no time to see the big picture.
Yeah, okay. What's the big picture? I think it's just a bunch of swirls. Yeah, but it's pretty. Underneath of this big, what I presume is a red hawk, even though he's not totally red, but it's the species of hawk, I guess. It's called the Red Hawk Shingle Springs Rancheria from Bernard Helen David Richter, Sam's Town. So they obviously had something to do with opening it, right? Donating, yeah. So here's the lobby. Okay, we picked our game. Sticking our card in. Nope, mine didn't work. Aaron's worked.
Took a minute.
It took a minute. So we just got these cards. This is our first time here. Oh, and it worked. Woo! And so we are playing some sort of piggy game. I don't remember what it's called. Miss Cheeky or something. Oh yeah, Bacon Riches. That's what it's called. So let's see how Aaron does. Come on, baby. Big money, big money, big money.
Some money.
Some money. So we're starting out small. We're doing one penny at 75 bets. So let's see what this does for us here. DJ Trivia. We're gonna bet. Here we go. Did I win? Yeah. 10 cents. Woo! I think you just won something, babe.
$1.25.
$1.25. Okay. Okay, let's see if I won anything here. I'm winning something. Nudge. Bacon Riches. Come on. We want the big money here. Mini. What did I win? We're moving it up. Yay! $13. So I went from my 20 up to $26.85. $1.55 for Aaron. I'm down to $21.35. Okay, I won something again. Don't know what. Oh, $2.20. Right next to the high limits area. I'll zoom in. High limits. There you go. They do have like a car giveaway area and a big bar over here. Now we're gonna go check out the Kids Quest area. So supposedly there's go-kart driving and bowling and all kinds of stuff. So here's the entrance to it. We're gonna go figure out what it's all about. I see tons of huge screens. Oh, so here's the go-kart. I don't see any go-karts going though. Here's the go-kart track. Maybe they're just getting ready to take off back there. I don't know, but here it is. Looks fun. This is so crazy. This is all indoors. This is the track and it goes up. It's $35, $35 each to do the go-karts. Here goes someone. Let's see if I can, oh yeah, there they go. They're probably gonna be coming up. Let's see if I can catch a glimpse. We're currently very curious as to what this is. They also have a bowling alley, so you can come enjoy some bowling. And then there's a grill just to the left of us for the kiddos, and then there's a sports bar for the adults on the other side. We're actually going to go to the Apex Sports Bar. We're going to grab a beer and some food. We'll show you everything we have. The technology in here is pretty epic. They've got all of the different scores up here rolling across the top, big screens, and then big screens, smaller but still big on the side. They've got games inside. Here is the menu. Let's take a look. So burgers and sandwiches. We're going to split the barbecue Western bacon burger. They've got salads, draft beers. We haven't totally decided what we're getting yet, but we will let you know. Desserts, I'm wondering what the chef's special is. Kids menu, although it says you can't be in here if you're under 21, so I don't know what that's all about. Pizzas. Yeah, it says it's a sports bar and no one under 21. So that's, I don't know. And then here's that caprese flatbread. Yum. We're having the Revision IPA.
From the Revision Brewing Company.
We got a little clip of the menu from Revision. They're in Sparks, Nevada. Cheers, baby.
Here.
That's pretty good. It's much more fruity than I expected.
Yeah.
It doesn't have that IPA bite.
It's a lighter IPA.
Yeah, it's good.
I like it.
I like it too. We had never had this before, so this is our first time. Cheers to beer. Cheers to casinos. Cheers to Western barbecue bacon cheeseburgers. So we're hoping that the previous video turned out.
Maybe had a dirty camera lens.
We might have had a dirty camera lens, but we'll check. We'll try to brighten it up. We apologize if it's not the best. Clean now. If you have a bigger party coming with you to the casino and you're staying, there is this kind of like semi-private back room that you guys can have. At the view, let's check out the view. It is getting dark, but we are in Placerville, so literally in the mountains. So the views are pretty cool. Tons of trees. That's obviously a screen, so you can't totally see. But yeah, this semi-private room. And then over here, we're still in the sports bar. We're waiting for our burgers. I just wanted to show you guys. They do have like golf simulation and different games that you can play here.
We ended up getting an IPA from the Revision Brewing Company in Sparks, Nevada, which is just outside of Reno. And we happen to be in Reno fairly often, so next time I feel like we'll probably check out this brewery. They do have a lot to offer. I think they only had one of the beers here, but the brewery itself has a lot to offer.
When our burger came to us, it actually had an extra dressing that wasn't supposed to be on it. I liked it. I ate this burger. They ended up making a new one for Aaron because he cannot do sauces like that. So it's supposed to only have barbecue sauce. It was delicious. I'm not sure what kind of dressing it was, but it was really good. They do have charging stations on all of the parking floors. So, and plenty of them. Like this whole entire row is just filled with charging stations. So if that's your jam, you can come charge up while you're in there playing and having fun. The hotel, okay, so a little recap. We had a lot of fun. We could not get a hold of the hotel manager to get a room tour, so we do apologize for that. We'll try to come back and actually stay one night. We're pretty tired, so we're calling it a day. We did get some pretty good coverage for you guys. Not everything we wanted to, but we'll put this together and get it up for you. And if you have any questions, if we know the answer, we will let you know. Anything you want to say, babe? Last words?
I'm tired, but it's a pretty cool spot.
It is.
Need to do the go-karts.
Yeah, we didn't do the go-karts, but we got coverage for you guys of them, and they look pretty freaking fun. So on that note, let me turn us around.
Later, dude.
Later, dude.